Hi everyone, I'm Fire Alarm 9200 and this is going to be System Test 48. As you can see, still got the 5820XL here. Now this might be one of the last tests, if not the last test with the 5820XL on the main system, because they got a little something else coming. And once that finally gets here, it'll be going up here. And you guys will see what it was. And also, in case you didn't notice, I took the dialer down to the safe watch because I figured out that I need a different one. But it does work though. In fact, the dialer is for sale. It's down there. And there's the RP1002, which is also for sale. I'll put a link to my eBay. Still got to list the dialer though. So anyway, pretty much I've changed all the pull stations out except, actually, all the pull stations are the same except for one, and that is the Silent Night or Honeywell PSDA. Just got an RSS over here, and there is a Wheelock, well, Siemens ZR, but it's a rebranded Wheelock ZRS. And as for horns, I got my Commander 3 set on chime, continuous chime, and need a. For here, this is a Gentex GCS. Even though it has the, it looks like it's a horn strobe, it's not. It's just a remote strobe. In fact, yeah, I'll be sending that to somebody. I'm not going to say who. You guys will figure it out. Yep, still that. And I got a Commander 1 remote strobe here. Is the Commander 3 the only horn I have hooked up? No. Over here, I have a Gentex HG. Now, those of you that don't know what the HG is, the HG, it's a Gentex SHG that's strobeless. And this thing is coding itself to March time, which not a lot of people do. So, anyway, I guess, I'll activate this one first since I haven't done that in a while. That HG is actually pretty loud. And yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna re-alarm it with the 4251. I just want to make sure my B key out. Okay. Now, maybe I'll demonstrate the smoke detector really quick. Do this one. Yep, and so another thing. Actually, no. Do I have the key? No, so we're gonna do this one now. The Silent Night PSDA. Well, Honeywell. I'm saying Silent Night because it's really a Silent Night device. And so now I'm gonna reset everything. So this thing is like and we need the B key now. So why did I take the other key right now? And we're just gonna reset everything. Yep, I did. And also, since I've never done it before, I'm going to test the smoke detector. Okay, so I've got some incense, and I'm going to place the camera on top of the safe watch so I can actually get it into the chamber. Okay. Anytime now. Yeah, there we go. Well, that's interesting. Apparently the smoke detector is making it do code 3. Well, that was certainly interesting. But apparently the smoke detector makes it do code 3. I actually didn't know that until now. Because this is actually literally the first time I've tested it ever. Mainly because I didn't want to grab the incense, so we'll do that for... Yeah, you see? The pull stations will just activate they'll just put it back into continuous. But that was interesting, so we're gonna go ahead and reset for the final time. And I'll show the detector shutting off. Hopefully. And there you go, system's all normal. See you in the next video. This is going to be the power down of the Silent Night 5820 XL. So, this panel is going to be changed out with another panel that I recently got. So, some will like it, some may not, but this will be the last time you see the 5820 on the main system. Sequence here. So now, disconnect the batteries. Should get a battery trouble here in a sec. I'm just going to take those out. Just gonna set them down there for now. And then I'm just gonna unplug it. Should be able to see it. Yep. Been a great panel. I'm not getting rid of this panel, by the way. So even though I was selling it before, I'm not anymore. I really love this panel, and I have something else planned for this panel, and you guys will see what that is really soon. The same with my other fire alarm panels. There's something pretty cool that I'm putting together for all of those. So anyway, this Fire Alarm 9200. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.